So let's dive in and just show you the power of what it can do and how easy is it to set up. So we'll go with the first option of an explainer video. Let's create an explainer video and just tinker with it and show you how easy to do it is, right? So it's going to show you different options for an explaining video, and you're just going to go through and think what, you know, if you don't want to start from scratch, and you can start from scratch, I think there's an option to start from scratch somewhere. Let's pick one. Meet our new employee. So maybe let's have a look at this one. You've got somebody new in the office, but you want to tell YouTube or Facebook about it. And he's going to come in and it's going to turn him into a superhero. Company name. Right, so we can see it's a basic template. We're going to click use template. It's going to import them into a Powtoon. It's going to break it into slides. So if you use something like PowerPoint or anything like that, you're going to get how to change this, right? Now you can jump in and just start tinkering with it, right? And dive and just go to edit, change. I don't know why the edit bar doesn't come at the bottom. I don't use it enough, to be honest. But if you click up here to go to get the full timeline control, this is what you want to be at. Because now, when I click here, like if I play this, you'll see. Oh, I always do that wrong way around. I always think, right, if I play this one, sorry. If I play this one, why is it doing that? Here we go. So I just want it to stop on this tile. Right, there we go, yeah. So I can drag this across and you'll see at the bottom where things arrive, where things start out coming in. So you can see, look, as this here, there's two items here, the office worker and the text box, right? And that's 1 second in, they're both going to slide in. Then as I go through to 2 seconds, meet, and then up from the bottom comes he's joining our team, right? Some cog icons, and then the hand goes up and moves it down, right? So I can change this, right? So meet, hello team, meet. Let's change this to, I just put my name in. He looks nothing like me, of course, but he's joining our development team. He's joining our training team. You can make it a bit bigger if you want. You can change the character, swap the object, swap an online. I don't know what. I'm not going to change it in this one. I might come back to this because I'm not sure. Oh, it's a superhero, right? So you can change it to, if you want it to be a superhero straight away. Oh. Swap. If I want him to be a superhero straight away, I can change it to a superhero. But obviously within this slideshow, he's going to turn into a superhero, and I can make him obviously do a different action. It can make him sad, angry. Let's go here. Settings, pose, transform. So he's going to take his shirt off, I guess, at that point. Yeah. So you can change it to whatever you want, right? I want to go back. I've noticed this with my Chrome. It's a bit sticky. I don't know why. Let me refresh. I'll just reload it back to what it was before. Now hopefully that won't happen in yours, but it happened in mine. Come on. So it auto saved, so I didn't lose too much, other than I don't want this to be a superhero. Come on, still loading for some reason. What's wrong with you? Come on. Every time I do a video, something messes up. Maybe it's my recording software. Here we go. It's gone back now. Here we go. Dear me, Paul. Right, so that's what I changed, right? Swan. Swab. Right, so, sorry. So you can edit and change everything in there. Whatever you want to do. It's going to jump up and you can go through it. Drag and drop. So here we go, company name. We might want to change this. Should I actually put where I worked? Advanced alarms. The Bermuda security group. Happy Me Limited. They are actually the 3 companies that I've worked for. You joined us after. You might not want to put where that is or whatever you want to change, but you can see you can change in information. So this one you can say settings, effects, arrange the effect, no effect, add hand. So you can drop it in by a hand. So this one you see was coming down, but we might want to change it to pop, right? So let's change it to pop and then go back here, and this time it's gonna pop in. Wasn't a big difference, was it? But you will see in the settings the effects are coming from the right, so it's going to come in from the right this time, right? Go back here, it's going to slide in from the right, so you can change how it comes in. You can change everything. You can drop more characters in if you want. Again, the superhero, you can drop in a character. I'm not sure where that would be appropriate, but there's other elements at the side, which I'll probably come through in another lesson, where you can add things or animate a shape. What's this one? Let's put this. I want it to go arrange here. I want it to go further. I want it to go to the back. So I want it to come in. It's going to come in here, I think, yeah. So you can add things, you can tinker. If you want to put a tick here, make it smaller. Right. Tick's going to come in here. Loads of cool stuff, and you can mess about with it to your heart's content. And then what you're going to do is preview and export. You're going to play it through. And here we go, working out. The tick's going to come, the halo or whatever that effect is. And you just export it then, right? So then you click export, and it's going to set it up and preview it, right? Choose where you want to export it, create your personal Powtoon player page, so you can create your own public page where you save your Powtoons to. You can send it to Facebook or YouTube direct. You can create it in SlideShare, Vimeo, Wistia, HubSpot, or put it in your ads manager so that you want to promote it in Facebook. Or most people possibly would go MP4, PDF, or a PowerPoint, right? So let's do it into a MP4. Meet the employee Paul, we'll call it. Add a description if you want. Meet Paul. Blah, blah, blah. Save that. Add tags. So if you're going to upload it straight to YouTube, you might want to. Select a category. Events and greetings. And this is where on your Powtoon page, do you want it to be public or unlisted? Depending on your pricing as well. Let's do it. We'll do it unlisted because I don't need anybody to see it. what do I want it to come out as, and do I want to hide the branding? So powered by Powtoon. I'm going to go full HD and download. I'm going to hide the branding and download, right? Changes of mail have been saved. I'm going to leave because there's no other option. And it's going to come up here eventually when it's rendered. And then it's also going to be other options here when it's finished. But what I'll do is I'll get an email saying your Powtoon's now ready to download. Click on this link and you will be able to do with it whatever you want. It could take. It obviously depends how big your Powtoon is, how much stuff's going on in it, what file size it is. I would say this one's going to take maybe 5-10 minutes. I'll leave it. I'll show you in a new lesson when it comes through the email. But we'll go through some other things just for some funky stuff.